Right now, I'm with this young lady who I told her I'll be your new best friend. Did I say that to you?
You said you'd be my new best friend.
And the reason being is, yeah, why are you talking to say some of the things that's going on?
I went through a pretty interesting year where they couldn't figure out what medically was wrong with me. I went to tons of doctors, and my head feels like it's on fire, and I have pain in my joints. I had trouble walking, trouble concentrating. It was really horrific, and my occipitals are inflamed, my head is inflamed, and finally I met with another doctor and they realized that I have Lyme meningitis and Babesia and Bartonella, which is causing all of my issues. He advised me to stop eating beef and dairy, which I've been doing and I really miss it. But if it means that I'll get better, then that's great. I came into Arnold because I come here a lot with my very good friend Dolores, who's a good friend. And I came into Arnold to eat something healthy, and I explained to Arnold what's been going on, and he said, Nicole, give me $100. Come in every day for the next month, become a vegan, and we will get you better. And I
$3.60 a day.
$3.60
a day.
Whatever it is
for
a day.
Meal and
for
a
a meal. And so here I am, and I'm really nervous because I love beef and I love lamb.
Well, animals, close your ears. Please close your ears. She doesn't mean what she's saying. She's a vegan today.
But if doing this means that I will heal my brain, because it's terrible. The pain moves around my head, and I'm in severe pain every day. So if that means I don't eat pork, but
okay, that's good.
But animals are our friends, and I probably shouldn't eat them. So here I am today, and I'm trying
Day
to
one.
Day one.
And then what I'm going to do, let me see.
These are all the medicines I'm on.
It costs you like, we said $500.
$576.
So you got it down pat.
Yeah.
And I said, I will give you
What? Why are you laughing?
bananas.
Bananas.
Is that right? Bring that book
Bananas.
over I showed you. Is that okay?
Thank you. That looks delicious.
Okay. There's no tomatoes on it, right? Okay. Let's take a look at it.
But I added some like carrots.
Okay. Okay, so what it is, you want to
Yeah,
read this
thank
out
you.
loud? You want to read it without showing it? About pain and irritation. Right now, yeah. Yeah, so right now, everything's based on love. You know what that means?
Love.
Love. Love is, once you understand what love is, then you understand why everything here, you won't need it within a month.
I hope so.
There's no hope so. Our goal is for you to rock and roll, live the dream, super excited. Want to take your hands?
Sure. What am I doing? I'm hugging myself.
You're so rude.
Is that funny?
Yeah.
I can't show you. I can't videotape,
Okay,
right?
I'll be in.
Oh, you be in my video?
You're super excited now, guys.
I'm super excited because we were just talking about this morning, right?
So my nerves can heal, my head can heal, everything can heal.
Everything's based on love,
Everything's based on love.
which means, if you're putting food into your system, like dead food, we talked about soy like 10 minutes ago, right? Ainsley, dead. What happened when you ate soy? That's what I told you.
So for me, when I ate soy,
I get sick.
Not immediately. I didn't feel things immediately, but like I would say, like 4 or 5 hours, my whole face kind of got inflamed a little bit, and I feel like it wasn't enough to like notice it unless someone was to tell you.
And you look beautiful.
Oh, so do you.
You're glowing.
So are you. So Arnold wants me to read this part, right?
These are all the things the body does in order to protect itself. So when you're burning, you have to say thank you. When you have pain, it means pay attention, important now. Your body's on overload.
So when your body is on overload, these
This
are
is really
some
bad.
signs.
It's been bad.
These are some signs that your body will give you that a lot of people think might be normal and might think that it might just be like, from something else. But increase in body temperature.
Increase in
fever.
body temperature, that's fever. To your benefit. You got to say?
I didn't have a fever.
Well, just say thank you.
Increase in circulation, like I just said, flush skin or increased pulse. Increased sensation with your pains, anything in your joints, your muscles, your stomach. Increase in metabolism, inflammation. So when I eat soy, I didn't feel it right away in my stomach, but then I saw it in my face, flush.
So when you're eating chicken, you're eating a dead chicken, the body says, Nicole, what are you doing to me? And it'll then try to destroy it.
So it causes inflammation.
So what the body does, since it neutralizes with uric acid, that becomes calcium uric crystals. It then goes to your hands, goes to your head, and the body says, Lord, Nicole, we have all this calcium uric crystals going. We can't deal with it. What we're going to do is send our forces to destroy it. When that happens, that area has to become enlarged to welcome all the soldiers. That's called pain. Remove the cause, give the body healthy healing condition, the body will heal itself. Which means by the end of the month, we're going to have jumping around, rock and roll, living a dream, super excited. And she will say, man, oh man, I'm reading a book on Lyme. I'm going to say how you heal it with freaking just bananas.
All right.
Dad, you want to read some more?
Yeah, so
I'm listening.
increase in
I wanna get
rate
better.
of breathing, hyperventilation. So you find yourself not being able to go run a mile without dropping dead because you can't breathe. Or just walking up and down the stairs carrying your laundry. Sometimes I used to carry my basket and I'd be completely out of breath just by carrying my laundry to the laundry mat or whatever. Increase in action of mucous membranes, coughing, sneezing, pus discharge. Increase action
Oh, this
of
sounds familiar.
skin,
Yes.
glands, sweating. Increase action of bladder and kidneys, urinating. Increased bowel action,
I pee all the
diarrhea.
time.
That also goes with the opposite. Sometimes you might get constipation. You might not poop for 3 days, and that's horrible. You should be pooping 3 times a day.
3 times a day?
3 times a day.
2 to 3
You will be.
I
You will be.
definitely
not
You
do
will
that
be.
right
You
now.
will be.
I'm so serious.
I poop and shower. I'll be showering 3 times a day. I'm kidding.
Increased stomach action, vomiting. Increased nerve muscle action, shaking. So feeling like jittery and like you just drank a cup of caffeine. Like shaking like that.
I don't drink coffee.
So most of your symptoms, you should see tremendous improvement.
Okay, I'm excited.
Are
I'm
you
game.
excited?
I'm here.
You're here. Rock and roll.
Thank you for being my friends.
And then you're a vegan.
I've known you for years.
And then you're a vegan.
Yeah. Yeah?
He was talking about how you're gonna be a superstar.
I'm going to be a superstar.
His movie Superstar.
I can completely give up chicken and beef. You guys are going to have to hold me back if I ever see a hamburger though.
Yeah.
We'll see
Well,
how
we
I feel
make
in a
we
month.
make our own hamburgers.
What kind of hamburgers?
We make our veggies.
Yeah,
Veggie hamburgers.
Veggies?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're actually making some right now.
We make it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Okay, so we have green smoothies. So your breakfast. I told her to read my book once.
I read it.
Ready to read it again?
I like the whole holding
Yeah.
your
Yeah,
ear
yeah,
and then
yeah.
that really helps.
And so when you're here, I
vision
would
board.
like you vision board. And when you're here, I like you to maybe jump on that rebounder.
The rebounder.
Yeah.
Okay, I saw that, how you do that
I
every
do
day.
it. I do it pretty much
So
every day.
that helps with the lymph,
And not only that, it activates your TH cells,
TH cells.
which are killer cells in your body.
So the invaders that have to go and
So
take
they'll
away
go
the
to
space.
any cell that hurts you and destroy it.
Okay, let them. Game on.
So this is pretty exciting.
This is exciting.
And
Thank
all
you.
these freaking bottles. Look at this.
Which is really scary to take.
$500 a month, and I'm gonna replace it with
It's probably more than $500 a month. All of these were $500. Actually, it's probably more.
So what we're gonna do is replace it with bananas.
Bananas. Bananas.
What do you think about that?
I think it's bananas.
I think it's bananas. I eat 10, 15 a day.
I don't know if I could eat 10 or 15 bananas.
As of today, we're gonna have your smoothies, we're gonna have your whip.
But you know what? If it makes me feel better compared to what I've been going through,
Right.
I think that that's a small price to pay. Some bananas.
The reason being is there's no energy on digestion. The less energy on digestion, more time your body has to heal. So stay tuned. Boom, boom, boom. I asked her to do a video with me. She did.
I'm gonna
She
do
did.
it. 'Cause
Boom.
if I can help someone else, if this works, then what I went through you know, it will help someone. So that's the way I look at it. Thank you. And if I get better, then that would be
It's in God's hands.
amazing. Okay, it's
In God's hands.
Amen.
God's food, God's garden, God's body. Okay, when Nicole, bye. Stay
Bye.
tuned.
Thanks.